How would you like to have perfect credit? Are you ready to enjoy the life that good credit can provide? If you've been charged high interest rates on your credit cards or declined credit for a home, car, or credit card, we can help. Like it or not, credit scoring is a fact of modern life. But did you know that the credit bureaus who produce your report are private, for-profit companies, not government agencies? Strange as it may sound, both credit bureaus and creditors make a lot more money from people with bad credit. If someone with good credit wants to finance a car, they simply drive up to the car lot, pick out a car, sign the loan, and drive away in their new car. It's that simple, and their credit report is only sold once. Any bank will approve them and offer great terms. The same thing happens with a home. Someone with a good credit score simply signs the mortgage and moves in. When someone with bad credit wants to finance a car or a home, they are sent to many different banks or credit unions looking for someone to give them a loan, which means the credit report is sold many more times, creating more profit for the credit bureaus. In addition, lenders profit by your having bad credit because the lower the credit score, the higher your interest rate is likely to be. Your financial reputation is provided as a 3-digit score. This score falls somewhere on the spectrum between good credit and bad. Simply put, as items are paid on time with no derogatory items, the score goes up, and with each negative item, the score goes down. The for-profit corporations that store and sell your data to lenders influence whether you can buy a home or are forced to rent, whether you can finance a car, your insurance rates, and even the quality of job offers that you might receive. A good score can take years to build, but it can be shattered in a matter of months. If you have experienced medical trouble, unexpected expenses, a loss of income, or even just the snowballing effect of spending on credit, you may have found how even a single late payment can damage your finances. Most credit card companies today have a universal default clause allowing them to increase your rates if you miss so much as a single payment on even another credit card, causing an increase in payments and leading to a financial trap. If you've fallen prey to this trap, you're not alone. As many as 80 million Americans have damaged credit, and as much as 79% of all credit reports contain inaccurate or misleading information. Now, this financial trap was designed on purpose to make the creditors and credit bureaus more profit. They don't make any money fixing the credit mistakes that show on your report. But we have good news. You can fight back, and we can help you get your credit back on track. You are legally entitled to contest and correct inaccurate, misleading, or incomplete information. The way credit scoring works is deliberately kept a mystery. Because both banks and credit bureaus profit from your having damaged credit, they don't want you to know how the system works or even that you're allowed to challenge complaints on your credit report. Worse yet, they don't want you to know what you can do to improve your score or what you're doing wrong that inadvertently damages your credit score. Did you know that credit bureaus are not required to produce proof or evidence of a derogatory item in your credit report? A credit report is only proof of how a lender reported your payment history. Their report may be inaccurate, misleading, incomplete, or even beyond the statute of limitations and provide grounds for you to have it removed. Since credit bureaus make money selling reports to lenders, their real clients, and not to the consumers, the bureaus have a financial incentive to make it difficult for you to challenge their system. They don't want you to complain or investigate because this adds expense to their business with no resulting profit. The federal government has some basic protections in place for consumers, but the bureaus work to make your options as cryptic and as difficult as possible, hoping you'll just accept your bad credit as the way things are. They hope never to hear from you because you don't make them money. The more roadblocks they put up, the less it costs them to handle your disputes. Federal law allows you to challenge anything on your credit file, which means negative items may be eligible for deletion from your report, making your credit score go up. This even includes bankruptcy, medical bills, collections, repossessions, charge-offs, late payments, foreclosures, tax liens, and other negative reporting. Federal law requires that the items on your credit report are timely, accurate, and verifiable. The way our credit restoration services can help you is by challenging the bureaus with a very specific series of letters demanding proof or further investigation. Inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable items have to be deleted according to federal law. Since the original creditor is like any business, sometimes these challenges are not answered. This might be due to an agency being busy or understaffed, or simply not seeing enough profit motive in providing the required documentation. Other times the data has been archived and cannot be readily located or is missing the original signed documents. Like any skilled profession, you can try this yourself by writing some letters and crossing your fingers, or you can trust the professionals with the tools, the experience, and the relationships to get the job done right. The most common tactics the bureaus will use to make you go away include form letters or telling you that this data must be reported. Other times they'll use stall tactics designed to draw out the process as long as possible. Remember, your having good credit reduces how much money the bureau and banks can make on you, so they want to make it as discouraging as possible. Our innovative dispute methodologies and creditor relationships, coupled with legal persuasion provided through law firm affiliations, can help you maximize your legal rights. Imagine if 1/2, 2/3, or even more of the negative items on your credit report were removed. Imagine if your credit score increased over 100 points. Imagine having access to financing on your new home, your new car, and getting the very best job offers and insurance rates. Other clients like you have reported score increases of over 100 points in as little as 90 days. Life is better with good credit, and we can help you get there. Fill out our online form for a free consultation right now, or contact our team. It takes just seconds to start the ball rolling towards your having the credit that you want and deserve. Contact our team right now, and we will schedule a free credit consultation. Dreams are nice, but money makes dreams come true. These days, some of those dreams depend on your having good credit. Contact our team today and start the process of making some of those dreams become reality. We look forward to speaking with you in person very soon.